Coverage you can count on begins at 7 with a renewed push to get more money to help improve Georgia's literacy rate. New data showing more than a third of Georgia's third graders are reading below grade level. Atlanta Bureau Chief Archit Seshadri has more on the plan to improve those numbers.
A new report by the National Assessment of Educational Progress puts Georgia as 28th in the nation for fourth grade reading proficiency. That's why the Georgia Literacy Council is advocating for more funds and program dollars to help improve reading abilities for Georgia students.
Literacy is an important skill, not just for academics, not just for college and career, but for life. Literacy is not just about reading, it's about writing, it's about communication skills, it's about being able to do the day-to-day tasks that you need to do. Reading is essential.
The Georgia Council on Literacy awarded $25,000 grants to communities around Georgia for things like early education and summer tutors. The group is also advocating lawmakers at the state capitol to hire more literacy coaches to improve the state's literacy rates.
What it will be used for is for a variety of community initiatives to improve literacy. So some communities, we have them all over the state. Some communities will be using it for tutors. Some communities will be using it for summer programs, for early learning initiatives, for school-based initiatives, a whole wide variety.
The goal is to improve literacy rates in their communities and share those best practices with communities across Georgia.
Our teachers are already working extremely hard to be trained in the science of reading, and our teachers also are now screening students 3 times a year and looking at the needs of their students. A screener is an assessment that looks at where are students performing in reading, might they have difficulties that need to be addressed, and where and how can they help students, and teachers are learning to look at that data and zero in on how to improve for every child.
The council will review curriculum and teaching strategies to improve literacy rates and ways to help low-income, minority, and families who have students with dyslexia. Reporting at the Georgia State Capitol, Archit Seshadri, Atlanta Bureau Chief.